Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, like everybody else, I like a good rice dish, but I like something hearty, something meaty with veggies. So I decided to do up a Louisiana dirty rice. Now, it's not like what it sounds. It's not really a dirty rice, but it's full of meat, veggies, absolutely delicious. You are going to love it. So let me show you how to do it. So let's begin with our ingredients. First off, we have some oil and we have some pepper, some salt, some, of course, some Italian seasoning, paprika, some cayenne for that heat kick, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some garlic, onion, green onions for a garnish, and then, of course, here we have some sausage and some beef, and most of all, some rice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab up some sausage here, and these are about 4 medium Italian sausages. I mean, you can use honey garlic, whatever you like. I just like the old Italian. And we're just going to kind of take a good sharp knife and cut these into bite-sized chunks. You know, just something like this. That's about perfect. And believe it or not, if you're like me, I shop the flyers before I decide what I'm going to have for dinner. And I got these on sale, and they were about 12 for $10. So that's not bad, and they're a fairly, chunky sausage. So the first thing we're going to do here, guys, fire up the old stove over medium-high heat. I got my wonderful cast iron, and I'm going to go in with some oil, and we'll scoop up those sausages and throw them in. Yummy, yummy sausage. And we're going to fry these up until they're about half cooked through, because we have to go in with that ground beef too. Alrighty then, well, those sausage are frying up, guys. I'm going to grab up my red bell pepper, and I'm just going to slice this up here. Juliana first, and then we'll just cut it into chunks here. Then we're going to grab the yellow bell pepper and do the same thing with it. Now, I'm using yellow and red here, guys. You could also use just green if you want, if you find this is a little too sweet, depending on the level of maturity of the pepper, but it's entirely up to you. I just like the sweetness of it with the red and yellow. All right, our sausage is looking pretty good and smelling pretty good here. So now I'm going to go in with that pound of medium I can't even say it, of medium ground beef. Now we just break this off and fry this up. And again, I shopped the flyer, and I got the ground beef on sale. It was about $5. I wouldn't call it fantastic, but, not too bad. But I'm not going to go on about the price of meat. But maybe I will. I don't know. Now, some people might be wondering here, are you going to drain that grease off there, or that little bit of the water that's coming off? Yeah, I'm going to drain a little bit, but not a whole lot, because the pan, the cast itself is going to absorb some of that grease, and also the rice will absorb. We're going to drain a little bit off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix all those wonderful flavors together, and I might drain off, a little bit of this, but not too much. Next up, I'm going to shove everything to one side here. And we're going to go in with half a chopped onion, and of course 3 cloves of the old garlic. And I'll just stir and saute this for a couple of minutes until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. And I'm always saying that, but it smells so good when onion and garlic are sauteing. Now we're going to go in with those bell peppers, and these red and yellow look so nice. And we'll just stir and fry until they kind of soften up just a little bit. I like a bit of a crunch in my bell peppers. After a couple of minutes here, I'm just going to mix everything together, just so we're looking good here. Oh. Seasoning things up with a little bit of salt. I say about, a teaspoon or so, depending on how salty you want it. Some ground black pepper. You know me and ground black pepper, I like a lot, so probably go in with a couple of, maybe about a teaspoon and a half here. But, you can just, according to taste here. and about a teaspoon and a half of everything seasoning, which is Italian seasoning because it's got just about everything in it, as I always say. And of course, I'm going to stir everything together here, guys. And man, oh man, this is smelling so good already. Imagine something so simple smelling so good, and I bet you it's going to be so good. Now we're basically fried up. I'm going to go in with the star of the show, that rice. And I'm going to start, I guess, with a little over half of it. And we'll mix everything together here. Then we are going to go in with a couple of teaspoons of good old smoked paprika. And get the smoked stuff if you can, guys. It is so much nicer. And this is going to change the color of it. And just a little bit of cayenne. Maybe about a quarter, half a teaspoon. You know, just for some of that heat, depending on how hot you want it. And of course, stir everything together. Now it's looking good. Reduce that heat a little bit. And we'll go in with the rest of the rice. Now, a couple of questions folks might have here, guys. Is it the rice was cooked? It was about 3 cups of cooked rice that I cooked up the night before and left it in the fridge so you get that texture to it. And also, I ended up putting a little more paprika in here, so that's about a tablespoon of paprika and a little more cayenne for some heat. So it'll all be in the blog, and the link will be in the description below. But I bet you this is going to be super duper good. All right, guys, we are pretty much done here, and I've killed the heat. And I ended up, you know, like I said, putting a little more cayenne in here. If you find it's too dry, go ahead and add a little bit of broth, but you want it fairly dry, and this looks pretty good to me. So we are ready to serve. Okay, my friends, let's grab up that Louisiana dirty rice. Oh, make sure we got everything there. And we are going on to a plate. And just look at the texture of that. That is fantastic. And you can just see the texture here, guys, or the actual color of the visualization. It does look like dirty rice. And of course, to glorify it a little bit, I'm going to garnish this up with some chopped up green onions. You could also use, you know, cilantro or parsley. You have it, my friends, our simple and easy Louisiana dirty rice. You are going to love this. So good. Like I said, so simple, so easy. Everybody will want more. All right, let's dig in here and see what we got. I got to get a sausage on here, a bit of peppers, maybe a bit of onion here. Just a little bit of everything. Just look at this. Isn't this looking super duper fantastic? All right, now the old hatch and time for the taste test. My goodness, guys. Without the word of a lie, this is so good. I love the sausage. The ground beef is just fantastic in it. And the heat from the cayenne is super. The rice is done perfectly. Just everything about it. And I can see this done up with a nice once over easy or even sunny side up egg would be so good. You simply got to make this, guys. And if you do leave us a comment, love to read them. Most of all, give us a like, helps the channel out, and subscribe. It's nothing. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Definitely make this up. See you in the next video.